we have successfully installed the IDM integration module, which is IDM Extension Manager. Hello everyone, I hope you guys are keeping well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add IDM extension on your Google Chrome browser. But first, let me show you in Google Chrome. I don't have any IDM extension installed. For IDM extension, we have to search for Internet Download Manager. Here, it's the official Internet Download Manager website. Click on it. In this website, we have to look for the official link for installing this extension. As you can see, install IDM extension for Google Chrome. Click on it and it will redirect you on the extension browser. As you can see, IDM integration module. Click on add to Chrome. Click on add extension. As you can see, we have successfully, let me show you. We have successfully installed the IDM integration module, which is IDM Extension Manager. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys will subscribe to my channel.